In order to create transformations, you need to go into the transformation and formulas window right here. So in edit formulas, you can create transformations, you can define variables and reference to range parameters. But I will show you now how to create a transformation. So of course you type in the name up here, and when you type this in, it should be in capital letters. So then you get all these numbers and text. It might look a bit frightening, but it's quite easy. The first three here is the scaling of the object. So scaling in X direction, in Y direction, in Z direction. So it is default 1, of course. So if I type 2 in all these guys here, then I will scale this object to twice its size. The next three are the rotation. So rotate around X-axis, around Y-axis, and around Z-axis. Now, what you need to keep in mind that rotation is not in degrees, but radians. So in order to have a 90-degree angle, you will need to divide pi by 2. You should do this a little bit more detailed, so you should have more decimal places on your pi, but I will do 3.14 at this point. The last one is the moving transformation. So you're moving along the X, along the Y, and along the Z axis. And these are the same units as you have set in your script. Now the order up here is not really important because these are just variables that we can, because these are just definitions. So test sx equals 2. The order is important down here. So down here we define the transformation test as scaling with the first three numbers or definitions here. And then the next three are the rotation, and the last three is the moving transformation. So you can technically replace these with anything else. So as long as I have the first three as the scale, the middle ones as rotation, and the last three as moving. And then you just save, and then we can reference that transformation in our script.